for BMW 650i. So we have here, this is a model 2008. Okay. For this type of car, what we will do now is switch on. Just press, click, and there is no kilometer here. We need to find the kilometer. So in order to find that one, you need this button, the upper one, not the lower one, this one. So just click this portion, it will appear there. You click one more, only this one, and the right signal. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.